teatrate tuatwalire tutarete kwa mfano muntu mutanga ni Kenya konyole scandal under his my leadership ya a billion guchigo ni professor ya renge ya maths no muntu makona tiko se bari ko ibanere ta chite skuru renge patin kamres pasta so nyana masomo ngara to konya tega
okay
then we've seen people bako perform kwa mfano kwa Nyachae tinagana na Nyachae talinge doctor talinge professor lakini kara linge ministry chair chance pia lenge he was super
okay
nko muntu muna michuki nera tabu ata masomo ali to ata manga doctor professor nini na abu ata ndi diplomacy anda he performed so jiret so naboko twara masomo okwane buya uru speech buya
lakini ke kwa development
lakini to tache ground
toyo so a requirement you to degree is it necessary
linda koreke it's only necessary ekara kwa a professional job gete yao kwa mfano umuntu atanga so tuale degree wasene ya medicine chukuru ali abantu nyagitari lakini ekara watanga you must have a degree for example
kwa bumu governor
to be a governor
kwa bumu waziri kwa bumu raiwenzi
it's meaningless because onye ni bale specific anga ta bale kwa be governor otakere utu asini degree ni ya human resource bono oranyoro bwate degree wasene ya Kiswahili kwa mfano
akiro zitokana kwa bumu governor degree ya Kiswahili
degree na baba
yeah
wanyoro degree bwate wasene osobwate degree ya let me say ya French
degree ya French you have one na gorojo ko graduate I saw you degree wale kokora
njembwate human resource na strategic management masters
na rojo ko university kiri arenge
Mount Kenya
okay
so wono igendo ko boli neke ekaro munda ko teba general ngarasi mu
utwale
degree onye degree yo jo konya ni leadership bona karo mbwate degree in French ngia wangonya se ko biega bana kisi kaunti kwa mfano
so all the discredit the degree thing
no I'm saying it's good kutwara masomo lakini nyabata keta kwa masomo ana rara konye orae then they have to be very specific but maybe ko biega bana
go to human resource
because mo chore ko abantu
procurement go whatever
related ne oranga karaba ko ka general nga to be an
so got political science
whatever if it's only politics which
yes
so asenje indochi
relevance you go
because degree ji abantu mbaro babwadera kini nona gara muy karasnera mo ta makogambo gushinga kweli
na je the school
degree boli so nana umuntu arazi ku express bi lakini gara ko ikanga magana ko bange bintu bya masakara no bogambi nande kwanyaro performing
good totikane mangana yo Gen Z so muri robo erre bolengo muri bwa masakwe na kyo era bwango within a month okure